This is how actually skin looks. There is hair on my face. I have not kept anything. This is how it is. Ante. I used to feel very insecure. Natural ga ila. Ante. See, I did not comb my hair, but sorry, eyebrows make or break the look. Let it break, it doesn't matter. I use the Pond's powder. It is extremely bad. Down lip I have put the lipstick. Upper lip also I should keep, right? The highlights, this, that, all of that is not needed. There is brown, black, some beige and shimmer. Already jidduga. Already. If you know what I mean. Let me show you how I get ready. This is my absolutely natural skin. That's why you can see some pimples here, some hair here. So this is how usually people look. People don't. Makeup is. So this is how I naturally look. Okay, so this is my base skin. This is my skin tone. I have opened the window so that you will get an idea. One bottle I have finished. This is the Bioderma moisturizer, like I told you in my previous vlog, which is 200 ml for 600 rupees I got from Nykaa. This will easily come for 7 to 8 months. This is done. This is not a sponsoring video. This is my second tube and absolutely nothing on my face. I just used a lip balm. This is the Dot & Key lip balm. I have also shown you in my previous video. This is the Wishcare lip balm, pink color tint. This is a Deconstruct brightening lip balm, SPF 30 placenta. This doesn't have a pigment. This is what I usually use. But my most favorite is the Vaseline petroleum jelly untundi kada. The petroleum jelly one. That is my favorite lip balm. I don't like dry lips at all. I used to have this Sebamed lip defense for dry and chapped lips. It's completely done. I want to buy this again, but it is quite expensive, like on the end of 400, 500. Anyways, this is the moisturizer. This much I have taken. It's summer, right? So obviously there'll be dust and oil and all of that on the skin. I wash my face with CeraVe moisturizer, cleanser. That is for dry skin. I have very dry and absolutely sensitive skin. Other than that, I use the Neutrogena cleansing face wash. That is with some for the acne prone skin. This is a bit creamier on the side. So for dry skin, this is absolutely good. That much I use because I'm planning to go out. I will wear the same t-shirt. That's why you can see the water stains and all. But I want to keep it natural, so I have kept it just like that. This is how I get ready, or this is how anybody gets ready. I don't know about them. This is how at least I get ready. So you see already it is thick. Already jidduga. Already. If you know what I mean. So this is how I look. My eye infection is a bit better now. Balaya Babu already adi. So this is how I look. Done. Then I don't want to go for something heavy on my eyes because I can't. Last video I have shown you the K Beauty lipstick, remember? This is by Lakme Forever Matte. Drying lipstick because this is more like a matte lipstick. Same to same shade. I got it in Nykaa. Let it snooze. It's a brilliant shade again. These are very close matches to each other. I'll use this, but I can't keep wearing this now because it dries my face. Lips, that's when I use this. This is washable. This gets transferred when you eat or when you drink something. See. That's it. Good to go. We don't need any lip liner, this, that, heavy. Down lip I have put the lipstick. Upper lip also I should keep, right? That's it. No need for any eyeliner kadu. Lip liner, the highlights, this, that, all of that is not needed. Keep it simple, keep it presentable. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Now, I can put the eyeliner which I have shown in the previous video. If I'm using the eyeliner, I take my eye like this and I do it like this on the upper lid. Ikkada. Here I keep. I don't have the shorter mirror, all of that. So I look at the larger mirror and I keep. Anyways, let me try. Ante. Done. But I don't know how to use the blush. I don't do the contouring. I don't use the bronzer. All of that I don't know how to use. I will probably use later. This is the BB cream which I'm not using right now. Mascara I'm not using right now. I don't want to go heavy. This is a Zudio lip cream. I do not like buying this kind of stuff. It is extremely bad in fragrance. I don't like anything that has fragrance in it. Most importantly, I'm very particular about what I put on my skin and my lips because I don't want chemicals. It's very unfortunate that we have so many chemicals. Minimal chemicals I can put, but certain brands I don't want to use. I want to go for the drugstore things, or most importantly, I want to go for things that have been experimented on larger audience and everything. This is the water tint. I'll show you how I use this. I can put it here. I can also put it here. But why such hangama, I'm thinking. But let me show you. Okay. Ante. If I don't immediately smudge it off, it would become like a stain. So that's it. I think it's more than enough. Now, if you don't know me, I use the Pond's powder, Pond's talcum powder. Yes, I do that because it's good, right? Not bad. Or else I use the Johnson's baby powder just to get the mattifying finish. I take a bit in my hand. This one of my friends suggested me. I take a bit in my hand. Any brush, whatever is available. Foundation blender brush anta, but I'll use it for powder. See. Ante. 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 That's it. That's it. Ante. You see that? Now I don't have to look like a supermodel. I usually they say it looks like a flat face. No problem. It's okay by me. We have to put the contour here, we have to put the blush here, we'll get the elevated look. Maybe in the future when I learn. Ante, you see? If I want more mattifying look or if I don't want the oily look, I'll take a bit more powder. This is how much quantity I took. That's it. If I protect my skin, I believe in protecting my skin than going for makeup. You see, just with a Pond's Kado, Johnson's baby powder, it created such good impact. Now this is something called eye color palette. There is brown, black, some beige and shimmer. If I'm going on a night party, I take this and I put. If not, there is this kind of a brush. Emantara, I don't know. This is this thing. I usually have toned kadu. I usually have normal eyebrows. I'm also planning to go to the parlor and get it fixed. The eyebrows. Other than that, I don't need a fancy eyebrow gel. This that 4 colors, right? It at max costed me 250 rupees during the Nykaa haul, whatever. Pink color sale, something untadi kada. So I take the black. If I want to do some eyebrows, I do a bit like this, or else it's not needed. See, you can't tell the difference. They say eyebrows make or break the difference. Sorry, eyebrows make or break the look. Let it break, it doesn't matter. For students who or UPSC aspirants or people who are preparing for the competitive exams, and you don't have so much time, I'm simply doing it, there is nothing here. But if in case. When I wear the western outfit, I want to keep it minimal. Even if I'm not wearing western outfit, I want to keep it minimal. Now I can take this brush, and I can add too much of color. Okay, Individual preferences, never against it. Will never say anything against a girl. Mostly, I will try not to, because we all have our individual lives and we don't want to be restricted. We already have enough restrictions as girls on us. At least now, women are getting their voice, and I want women to get their voice. I'm an aspiring bureaucrat. One day, if I become a bureaucrat, when I become a bureaucrat, I'll make sure women live their peaceful lives with all the freedom and with all the opportunities, and I'll work for the rural development. We have wonderful women out there who are doing great job. All they need is voice and opportunities without any force crushing them. That's my goal. Naturalగా ఇలా అంతే. See, I did not comb my hair, but I used a banana clip. That's it. Good to go. Okay, so this is how I look in the natural sunlight. I'm literally standing next to the sun. Che. Next to the window, next to the sunlight, I'm standing. If you see, this is my natural skin tone and this is my natural skin. Other than moisturizer, I have not kept anything. Nothing more. Eyes are okay. Lips, I put on the lipstick, right? So it just added a bit of vibrance to my face. Eyebrows, okay. Mm, Here and there are red patches on my skin. That is because girls go through hormonal changes, menstruation, and tension, stress, all of this is there. So, other than that, I think we are in a good space to go. This is how actually skin looks. There is hair on my face, there are baby hair, growth patches on the face. This is how it is. Ante. I used to feel very insecure, but I don't have to. I'm very comfortable in my skin now. I'm very confident in what I'm becoming and whom I'm becoming. There is hair right next to the cheeks, there is hair on the upper lip. It's all okay. See,